Okay, so I want to start something new with the channel here, right? Where I want to make weekly events where we can help teach each other new tricks. So here's the idea. I'm going to teach this combo right here. This little element is one small element. It starts in double or nothing, and it leads up to this element where you can do a whole bunch of things with it, right? So what I want you guys to do is to learn this, go into the Discord, and then from there you can post in your own combos, which I can take a look at, think, wow, that one looks really cool, and I want to make a tutorial for that. So if you want to join that, the link to it is going to be in the description. And without further ado, here's a tutorial. And don't forget to check out the Discord so you can post your own combo using this trick, and I'd love to make a tutorial for it. Alright, enjoy!